And welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to create a gold text in Illustrator. And this is super simple. I'm just going to select the type tool and I'm just going to write gold. And I'm just going to change it into white so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to right click and create outlines and make it bigger. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to click on this orange yellow gradient and I'm just going to change the colors. So this you can change it to whatever color you like. So, well, not whatever color you like. What I mean is like whatever shade of gold you want. So I'm just going to click on this and just sort of click on these tan colors and go back to the yellow colors again, make it brighter, and just alternate between the tan color and the yellow color, sorry. And for this one, I'm just going to go to yellow. And as you can see, this already looks like gold. You can also change the angle of the gradient, so this way, and I'm just going to go to Object, Path, and select Offset Path, and I am just going to I think that's too much, maybe just around 5, and I'm just going to click the OK button, right click, arrange, and send to back, and I am going to select reverse gradient. And that is just basically it, how to create a gold text in Illustrator using the gradient. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!